Wix Blog Tutorial 2023. How to create a blog website on Wix.com. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create your own blog website using this platform called Wix. So let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to do is of course go to Wix.com and log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you can simply sign up very easily on Wix and you can easily create a free account. Now over here right now, after you create an account, this would be where you would be redirected. This is where you will be able to handle and manage all the different websites that you are going to create. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create a website. So to do that, we're going to click on create new site over here on the top right. By clicking this, we would be redirected to this page over here where we will be able to choose from different templates or different options to choose as a design for our website. Now over here first, we're going to have to choose what type of platform we would like to use to create our website. We're going to go with the Wix one for now because editor doesn't work for my browser. So we're going to go with Wix. And first we're going to have to type in what type of website we are going to create. We're going to go with blog, click on next. You can also choose specific answers for your blog, like have specific type of blog if you would like. Going to click on back over here for a second, and like I said, going to click on blog. You would be able to choose from different specific type of blogs, and you could look for the type of blog you are trying to create. For example, you would like to create a pet blog. You could choose the pet blog over here, and after doing that, you could click on next. Now after that, you could enter your website name. You could choose any name. For now, we're going to go with testing. Just like that, click on next. This is temporary. You could change it anytime you want. And as you can see here, we could choose from different options. Like these are apps that we could add to your blog website. As you can see, blog is built in. We also have chat option over here where chat with site visitors from desktop or mobile is possible. We could disable this for now. You could also enable forums where you could get information, subscribers, and payment with forms over here. If you would like to have that, you could click on this and it would automatically add to your website. These three are recommended for you depending on what type of website you are trying to create. There's also other options over here like online store. If you would like to have an online store on your blog, maybe if you want to sell pet related products, you could have this also within your blog. You could have bookings, maybe if your website is also about a pet store where they can book and buy products or maybe groom your pets, just like that. You could have events, portfolio, pricing plans, Instagram feed, videos. If you want to have a montage for your blog, music, online programs, forums, groups, file shares, and many more options over here. After choosing the specific things you would like to add to your website, you can click on next. And after that, as you can see, we have finished doing the minor setup. So we're going to click on begin with template. This is what I was talking about earlier. This is where we will be able to choose from different templates for our website, and we can choose any of these options. As you can see here right now, we have pet food store over here, animal shelter, pet apparel. You can choose any of this option that you would like to try. Basically, you're going to look for a template. For example, this one, you could click on view and you could see what this website would look like, this type of template. And if this is a template that you like, you could click on edit this website and you would be able to edit the content of this website and then turn it into your own website. Basically, for example, change this heading over here, change the background, change the about me section. Every single part of this page you could edit and change, even the photos, even the website over here, even the telephone. Every single part you could edit later on. For now, what we're going to do is we're going to look for a template that we like the most. For example, I'm going to choose this one over here. I could click on view and I would be able to view it just like what we did in this website over here. This is what our website template would look like and what we would be able to edit later on. We could also filter out our template over here. If you don't want to be limited by pet and plug over here, you could close this and you could choose from all of these options over here. Like under business and services, you have all of this option. Under store, you have these options, creativity, community, and blog options over here. For under the blog, you could choose from personal blog, food and travel, news and business, arts, fashion and beauty, sports and well, and podcast as well. You could also choose from all templates, blank templates, collections like new templates or most popular over here. You could also sort them depending on recommended, newest, or templates just like that, and you would be able to see the best template being used in Wix. And this is not limited by your blog. This is not limited by the pet blog over here. As you can see, this is a personal blog. These top blogs over here are not what we have, as you can see. And so we're going to proceed on creating our website. We're going to go back here and we're going to click on edit website. Now, after doing that, after clicking that, you will be redirected to the editing page of Wix where we will be able to create and edit our website. We're going to wait for it to load for a few seconds. And now over here, this is where we will be able to start creating and editing our page. As you can see here, this is the template that we have chosen earlier. It's currently trying to finish up its setup right now, so we're going to wait for it for a few seconds once again. Now after the setup, let's do a quick tour of our editor right now. Over here on the left side, as you can see, we have the names over here. This icon over here is add elements. Basically, by clicking this, you would be able to add elements such as text, buttons, sections, and many more others. Over here on the add section, you would be able to add sections to your page and menu. You would be able to check out and monitor the different pages and menu that you have created. Site design, you could change the design of your site. Add apps, you could choose from hundreds and different apps created for Wix to help their users have a better experience or have extra features that Wix doesn't provide. My business, you could check out your business if your website is for online store. Media, this is where you will be able to upload photos that you would be using for your store so that you would be able to access them with ease later on. And content manager over here where you will be able to manage their content. Now we're going to go with the elements. We're going to click on add elements. And as you can see here on our mini pop-up, we have all the different elements that we could add. We could check out the images over here. You would be able to see different images. This is where you will be able to import your images from your computer or from your socials and Google accounts. There's also free Wix images over here if you would like to try them out, or if you don't have an image yet, just for testing, just like that. You could also click on button over here. You would be able to see the different buttons available for us. We have text and icon buttons, image buttons, and many more. When you hover over the different options as well, you would be able to see over here on the right side that the options are changing, as you can see. For easy preview, as you can see here, if you have any button that you would like to use over here, you could choose it from here. You could also scroll down here. Actually, you could choose any of these options over here if you would like to have an icon into your website, and you could choose from any of this, many more, just like that. If you want to add, you can simply click this, or you could drag it into your website over here. And as you can see, our button is added to our website. You could click on our button over here. You could click on link. You would be able to choose where this button would lead you, like for a page or a web address, section, top or bottom of the page, documentation, email, phone number, or lightbox. You could choose which page over here. If you want your button to go to cats or birds, maybe click on done. And when someone clicks this icon button over here, they would be redirected to birds. Now you could add other elements like strip, decorative, box, gallery, menu and encore, contact and forms, and many others over here. You're just going to have to look for what you would like to add into your Wix website. Everything is in this location. You could also click on add section over here if you would like to have another section to your website. We have welcome, about, team, contact, promotion, services, subscribe, testimonial, clients, store, booking, events, and the basics over here. You can also click on page and menu. This is where you will be able to manage your different pages. Like I said earlier, right now this is the site menu, and you have all of these different links available on your web page. Now, if you would like to edit contents of your web page, for example, we're going to edit this section over here. You can simply click on this section, and you would be able to click on quick edit. And in this section on the right side, You would be able to change the section background, which is dogs and bunnies over here. You can click on change. By clicking that, you would be able to either upload an image by clicking this, choose a color, choose a video if you would like. Maybe we could go with video. And then this pop-up would appear. You would need to upload your videos over here by clicking on upload media if you have. Or you can simply choose any of this stock videos of Wix. You can simply search for cat maybe. We're going to search for a stock video of cat. And as you can see here, we have this medical exam. We're going to click this, change background. And we're going to wait for it. And as you can see, it's appearing in the background. Let's see what we can do to get rid of the first section. You can also click on the layout over here. This is where you will be able to see your layout options, but they are not right now. We could check out the gallery over here. You could manage media by clicking this. As you can see here, this is the photo that we are seeing right now. We could click on this. We could remove this for the meantime. Remove this options that we have right now and click on done. And as you can see, we have our video playing on our background right now. If you want to have a gallery, you can simply click on manage media once again, and you would need to upload the different media that you would like to have. You could also edit the title over here, which is this one. You could change it by clicking this. As you can see, you could change it to anything you want, just like that, depending on what you would like. There's also for the button over here. And like what we added earlier, we have the icon button over here. Now, after editing this section, maybe you would like to edit another section. For example, the section over here, you can simply click on quick edit once again, and you would be able to see the same thing, almost same thing, depending on what type of section this is. As you can see, we have section background, column background, title, paragraph, button, column background. Also, once again over here, another column background for cats this time. And we have the deal over here. It's very easy to understand and locate which you are editing, which part you are editing, because as you can see, when you hover over the different section, it's going to highlight it on your page. For example, for the dogs, it's going to highlight on your page so that you know which dog you are editing. You could do the same thing for paragraph and the button as well. And there's a lot of different sections that you could use and edit over here. You could edit the background by clicking on the change background over here. And there's also a shop over here like what we added earlier. Now you can simply change whatever you would like to add or change to your blog. You could click on your pages and menu over here. After editing your first page, you could go to maybe dogs. Maybe you could click this. As you can see, this is our cat section. It's currently empty right now. You could add content for this. Oh, over there, it just loaded in. As you can see, these are the different products for cats. And you can check out and edit every single page that you would like to edit by clicking on this section over here. Now, after editing, after mixing in stuff that you would like to add, after customizing it to fit your own blog website, you can simply click on publish over here and you would be able to publish your website. You can also actually choose and check how it would appear on mobile phone. If you click this button over here on the top left, you would be able to see how your website would look like on a mobile phone. You could revert it back to desktop by clicking on the desktop icon over here beside the mobile. Now, simply we're going to click on publish, and that would allow our website to be published, and we're going to wait for it to finish, and just like that, it's just now published. You could simply click on view site over here, and you would be able to see your website just like this. As you can see right now, it's a bit laggy. It's not scrolling down fully, but you get the idea. This is our website. You can click on cats, dogs, birds, whatever you would like to see. You can simply do whatever you would like to do with your blog website. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.